This is the E420. It's a bump up from the E400 ECG, blood glucose, blood oxygen, health monitoring smartwatch with a few slight changes. There's a flattened button here, and the bezel is new, and there's been some upgrades to the electronics inside. But basically, it's the same, giving you your step count information, last night's sleep time. You have your heart rate, instantaneous, and the last 24 hours. You can measure your blood pressure here, do your blood oxygen using red diode technology. Come over here to blood glucose measurement, which is appearing like it may be extrapolated and not accurate, so double check if you like this watch for that feature. And ECG, which will give you the ECG heart rate, but not a chart on the screen, although you can get a chart from the watch when you do it from the app. You've also got notifications sent from your phone, if there are any, and all of your apps, which include a set number of workouts, not too many, but your basic stuff. No GPS in the watch, though. You got pedometer, sleep time, heart rate, blood pressure, ECG. We showed you all that. Blood oxygen. Body temperature is in here as well. You tap it. It'll take a quick reading. You leave it on your arm, let it stabilize. It runs through very quickly and gives you your skin temperature and calculates what your actual body temperature should be from that. And that's pretty nice. You also have PTT, which is a process where you can strap this thing on to your body and get a continuous ECG chart. Not demoed in this one, but the review of the E400 would show you that. Breathing exercise, inhale, exhale, the weather in your area, alarm, stopwatch, music, find your phone, ladies, even calculates where you are in your period and such, and a variety of different settings with lots of different health monitoring switches you can turn on and off. Makes this a very, very capable health monitoring watch. Comes with a nice rubberized band. You can get it in different colors with different color bands. ECG electrodes here, and touch the side one to complete the circuit. Like I said, a slight change in buttons, but other than that, the same basic build quality. It is the E420. Check it out.